Where we have a lot of different Nutrilite products being made.
We manufacture powder nutrition products.
It's our primary area for making toothpaste.
Paper products is one of the first departments that we've had at Amway.
We produce packaging for Nutrilite, Satinic, and G&H.
We make everything for excess North America and South America.
There are robust quality systems and metrics in both the mix operation and in our packaging.
We can take our products from seed to supplement, and to do that we have to have very specialized equipment.
We do all the cartons for the artistry, for Nutrilite and glycerin.
My main area of expertise is compression.
We end up with right about 500 cans a minute, about 30,000 cans an hour.
It is very collaborative, from raw material all the way through to finished goods.
The most important thing and what we've been focusing on lately has been the ABOs. What are they looking for? What do they want from our product?